Hello, thank you for visiting. Here is one of my favorite scenes in the movie, Avatar. I have watched this scene many times. Also, I love the love scene that is called the Tree of Voices. It is also a very beautiful scene between Neytiri and Jake. In this scene, Neytiri is showing Jake the seeds of the sacred tree. He is amazed at the beauty of the tree and its flowing magical seeds. The lighting and colors are so amazingly beautiful of this scene. I am looking forward to the future release of Avatar 2.